Yeah, Tom and Caitlin, anyone who was in the Midwest in 1991 likely remembers that storm very well, has a story of exactly where they were when that occurred. Let's take a look at the progression of the system. It began on October 30th of 1991. Low pressure developed off the coast of Texas, but there was already very strong low pressure off the east coast, and that kept this low pressure system from heading eastward. So instead, that moved straight towards the north, and with it, it brought a lot of Gulf Coast moisture, and because temperatures were warm in the south, that was in the form of rainfall. But as it moved further north, as we went towards Halloween, temperatures cooled down in the Midwest, and we started to see some ice accumulate as that precip started to cool very quickly. Now, that ice did eventually transition into snow later on Halloween on October 31st, 1991. And that system continued to progress towards the northeast by November 2nd. So a lot of snowfall was dumped all across Minnesota and Iowa. The heaviest band of snow was just to the north of Goodhue County in a pocket in Duluth and Superior, Wisconsin of over 3 feet of snow. Here's a look at some of those snowfall totals. 6 inches in Rochester, over 2 feet in the Twin Cities, and over 3 feet up in Duluth. Now a recap of some of the storm statistics here. Snowfall, generally we saw about 3 to 10 inches locally in southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa, but over 2 feet of snow in northern Minnesota and northern Wisconsin. As far as ice accumulation, 2 to 3 inches of ice accumulated in Minnesota, 1 to 2 inches in Iowa, and that really weighed down those power lines, causing some significant power outages. 20,000 homes were without power in Minnesota, 80,000 homes without power in Iowa, and in total, estimated cost of this storm was over $16 million. Now, thankfully, we will be staying snow-free for Halloween this year, but we could get the chance to view the northern lights. Nick has those details coming up right after this.